Hello, do you want to increase your mobile internet speed? Then keep watching the video till the end. Open your settings. Now click on the very first option, connections. Now click on data uses. Now see at the first option there's data saver option. So click there. So this data saver option is very important to save data on your phone. So first of all, you have to turn it on manually. So go back. Now go to your Play Store or App Store. And after opening your Play Store, at the top right corner, click on your profile picture. And now here's the settings option. Just click there. Now click on the second options, network preferences. Now click on auto update apps. Firstly, you have to turn this option off. Don't auto update apps. So go back. And now just below the auto update apps, there is an auto play videos option. So click over there. And you have to turn off this option too. Just click on don't auto play videos. Selecting the last option, just click on OK. And now go back. Now open your YouTube application. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Now click on the third option, data saving. By default, this option is also turned off on every phone, so you need to turn it on manually. So firstly, turn on this data saving mode. And now go back. Now click on general, scroll down a little bit, and now click on play weekend page. So select the third option, off. Now go to WhatsApp. At the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. Now click on settings, scroll down a little bit. Now click on storage and data. And now below there is a media auto download section. Click on the first option when using mobile data. By default, these four options may be turned on your WhatsApp. These four boxes may be checked on your WhatsApp. So first you need to uncheck all these boxes. Now after unchecking all the boxes, just click on OK. And now go back. Now open your Instagram. At the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. Now at the top right corner, click on the three line icon. Now scroll down a little bit. And now here is the data usage and media quality option. Just click there. Turn it on this data saver mode on your Instagram too. Doing all these secret settings, you can save a lot of mobile data and make your internet speed super faster. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe this channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.